All right, today I'm at another one of our great national parks, Joshua Tree National Park in California. The plan is to spend 4 nights here in the backcountry and just explore around, do some photography, and try out some new backcountry recipes I've come up with. So today I'm on the Boy Scout Trail, which is one of the most well-known trails. It goes about 7.5 miles out and back. And my plan is to go to a point that's about 5.5 to a place called Big Pine and veer off from the trail there and do some cross-country exploration. Find a nice campsite and settle down for the night, maybe do some roaming around. Okay, I've turned off of the Boy Scout Trail and now I'm on the Big Pine Trail. I'm hoping this takes me to an overlook of some kind, preferably looking to the west. And I can set up for a nice sunset shot tonight. We shall see. These are the nicest trail signs I've ever seen. They're really, really nice. Got a map and everything. Okay, the geology has changed dramatically. Look at all this. This is all white quartz. Everywhere. It's so beautiful. Wow, look at this valley. Still on the Big Pine Trail. Look, there's snow in the mountains up there. Wow. So cool. This trail looks like it's going to head right toward that saddle right there, which would be perfect. If it doesn't go that way, I think I'll just bushwhack my way up there. Okay, I'm set up on my campsite at the Big Pine Trail and just going around doing a little shooting, and look at all the animal tracks here. Jeez. This is all tracks of animals all through here. Some are hooved, some are little, I can't tell what they are. But I don't know, I might get some company tonight. We'll have to see. All right, it's a little earlier in the day than I like to cook dinner, but I can see clouds coming in and rain, and so it's not even 5 yet. It's probably 4:45, but I'm gonna go ahead and cook. And also looks like could be a pretty epic sunset, so I want to be ready for that. So tonight I'm gonna try to make a chicken pasta dish, like a chicken Alfredo. So I got this packaged chicken and some noodles, and this is powdered butter, powdered milk, flour, and some seasonings, just some oregano and basil. A little black pepper. And then on the way here, I realized the most important ingredient of them all, I forgot. I left it in the truck, which is this beautiful chunk of Pecorino Romano cheese that I got at the Italian grocer nearby. And so I have to figure out a way to do without. So I remembered I had these cheese snacks. I get them from Trader Joe's, and it's just dried Parmesan and cheddar. So we'll see. I'm going to crumble them up, create a powder, and maybe it'll give it some flavor. I got this half liter of a really nice Australian Cab Shiraz, and then of course some Jameson for afterwards. All right, so let's put it together and cross our fingers. Here's the dish. Looks pretty good. It's creamy. There's the sauce. Hope I'm getting it. Looks like a nice creamy sauce. It's got the chicken in there. Noodles seem cooked. Let's try it. It's good. It's not going to win any awards, but it's tasty enough for backpacking. Okay, good morning. I slept really well last night. I ended up taking the Boy Scout Trail to Big Pine and then the North View Trail. And it was a great night. Got up around 3 and did some astrophotography. I hope a few of those turned out. And now I'm hiking back to the truck and figure out what to do with the rest of the day. I should be back before noon, I would say. Driving through Joshua Tree National Park, following the Wienermobile. We're in America. Okay, this is my version of a backpacking shepherd's pie. And I have freeze-dried corn with some freeze-dried onions, and that's just kind of hydrating right now. It's soaking in water. This is dehydrated ground beef that I browned and salt and pepper, and then I just dehydrate in the oven. This is the secret ingredient, which is Bisto, which is kind of a gravy mix that's really popular in UK. Some instant mashed potatoes, some thinly sliced carrots. Here's what the dried cheese looks like. And I just crumble them and put it right on top of them, like the mashed potato topping that we have here. And that's still simmering away there underneath. And then put a lid on it. Okay, this has been simmering for just a minute or two, just to let the flavors kind of meld together. Let's give it a try. It looks terrific. Yeah, it's like a really nice gravy with the beef and corn and onion and carrots, and mashed potatoes. That really dry, crunchy cheese topping on top of the potatoes is really good. This is a great backpacking meal because everything in it, even though there's a lot of ingredients, it all travels really well, and it's super hearty. I'm gonna really enjoy this, and it's all getting washed down with, of course, some Irish whiskey. Tonight we're just drinking a little bit of Jameson. Delicious. Good morning. It's about a half hour before sunrise and I'm on Juniper Flat. We got some swallows. It was a really cold night. I would even say Winnipegian cold, Bill. And so I end up deciding to just get up, get moving, try to get warm. So yeah, head back to the truck and I'll resupply and then head to the next destination, probably Hidden Valley. Okay, I pulled off at Hidden Valley. We're gonna do some exploring and photography around here for a little bit. Got some breakfast going. That's done. I can smell it burning a little bit. Spicy breakfast quesadilla with sausage and cheese and some hash browns. Got the coffee going. Life is good. The sun just came up a little while ago. All right, time to eat. Okay, it's time for another backpacking dinner. I'm camped right at the base of this big jumble of granite boulders, and it's looking directly west. That sun's gonna go down right in that crook of the mountains there. There's my tent. So I'm hoping for some good sunset photography tonight, but it's a really cool place. It's just all a jumble of boulders here. And tonight I'm making Kache Pepe with bacon, which is basically spaghetti with cheese and bacon. I've got the spaghetti, angel hair, because it cooks much faster. The really, really good pecorino romano, the one that I forgot the other night. Some powdered butter, some pepper. This is bacon jerky, and I've chopped it up a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and fry that first so it's crispy. And then, of course, Cab Shiraz Chip Chip Rocks, one of my faves. Really good wine. So, yeah, I'm just going to fry the bacon, cook the pasta, add the butter and pepper, let that come together. And when it's done, at the end, you put in the shaved cheese and bacon and let that kind of melt while it's off the fire. Alright, so got my pot ready to go. Time to pour a glass of wine. I should say cup of wine. This is my wine glass. Time to pour a cup of wine and get cooking. Okay, got the pasta bubbling away. I chopped up the cheese, and it's so delicious that I decided. And I've also fried the bacon, but the cheese is so great, I'm not even going to put the bacon in this dish. So this is my happy hour snack, and I'm not going to use it because I think the bacon would overpower how great this pecorino romano is. So it's going to be cheese and pasta with a little pepper. That's it. But these are good snacks. All right, I cheated a little bit, and I had the first bite. And oh my God. This is really good. Just really simple. That's a really, really good cheese, pepper, and butter. And it creates its own sauce. It's fairly silky. Hey, for backpacking, it's pretty good, man. So I'm gonna eat this now and enjoy some wine and just wait for the sun to come down. But Kache Pepe, backcountry style. Okay, I'm pretty excited right now. Got a really good view of the sunset and some good cloud cover. Like literally the whole valley right now has a nice wispy cloud cover. And if it just holds out for like 20 more minutes, this could be